Hi guys! For today's video ay pag-uusapan natin itong si Indeed.com. Indeed. Okay, Indeed. So dito mo makikita yung mga available job na katulad nitong Social Media Manager, Paragon, Global of Shipping Corporation, 25,000 to 45,000 a month. So dito mo makikita sa Indeed. Senior telesales specialist, 40,000 to 60,000 a month. Inventory assistant, 12,000 to 15,000 a month. Operation manager. So, napakarami pong trabaho na available dito sa Indeed.com. If you are looking for a job, then punta na po kayo sa Indeed.com. So, ito po ay isang job site. At dito mo makikita po itong mga hiring na trabaho ngayon. So, social media specialist, e-commerce marketer or manager. So, 35,000 to 50,000 a month. Influencer specialist, 20,000 to 25,000 a month. So, open natin itong social media manager. So, what is their qualification? Okay. I'm sorry, they are requiring me a verified ID. Okay. Here is, okay, they have a link. So I copy the link, then I will put in the description box. So, social media manager, Paragon Global Offshoring Corp and Angeles, 25,000 to 45,000 a month. So, profile insight, job title, job type, full-time, shift 8 hours. And then, we're looking for a dynamic community engagement social media specialist to drive growth and engagement across online. So, if you have skills in social media management, then you are fit for this job. Manage and moderate the free Facebook group, paid private community, ensuring high value of interaction, post engaging content. So, ayan po, promote webinars through engaging posts, repurpose, webinar recording, coaching, proven experience in community management, social media marketing, and outbound lead generation, familiarity with platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and go high levels, similar tools, strong written and verbal communication skills, ability to craft engaging authentic content and messaging, proficiency in social media and scheduling tools, analytics, strong organizational and multitasking abilities, self-motivated, proactive, detail-oriented, ability to work independently while collaborating with a marketing team, a strategic mindset to identify engagement growth opportunities. So, ayan po. 13-month salary, ability to commute or relocate. So, ma-relocate po kayo. So, sa mga taga Maynila po, or saan pong lupahan ng Pilipinas, ito po ay great opportunity po para sa mga gustong magtrabaho. Work from home man yan o willing to relocate. Basta may trabaho, napakalaki pong kita, 45,000. So, grab this job na and then apply na. Punta na sa job site ng Indeed.com. Ayan po. Social media management, 2 years required. English required. So, yun po. I hope na nakatulong po itong video na to. And then, please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel for more video.